What is up guys, Tanner this side. In this video I'm going to compare two softwares which are HexOS and TrueNAS. If you are comparing HexOS and TrueNAS, you're likely someone who wants full control over your data, whether for personal backups, file sharing or building a private cloud. But which one is right for you? Today let's compare both of these and find out which one is better choice based on features, security, ease of use and more. Now let's get into it. So first, let's start with what are they? So TrueNAS is one of the most powerful and respected open source NAS operating systems. It's built on FreeBSD or Linux in the scale version and gives you enterprise-grade data protection, ZFS support, snapshots, replication, and advanced network storage features. Whereas HexOS is a newer minimalist privacy-focused file storage platform. It's self-hosted and emphasizes zero-knowledge encryption, meaning not even the server can read your files. While TrueNAS is a full-blown storage operating system, HexOS is more like an encrypted Google Drive alternative, simpler but focused. Now, let's move to the next step, which is privacy and security. So, HexOS is end-to-end encrypted, zero-knowledge architecture, encrypted file sharing with link expiry and download limits, perfect for people who value absolute data privacy. Whereas TrueNAS offers strong encryption but must be manually configured. ZFS provides checksumming and data integrity. Not zero knowledge by default, but offers advanced firewall, user permissions, and replication security. So in the verdict, if you want total privacy and anonymity, use HexOS, and if you need hardened infrastructure with redundancy, you should choose TrueNAS. Now, let's move to the next step, which is features and ecosystem. So HexOS uploads, organizes, sync, and securely share files. File sharing via password protected and expiring links, lightweight and fast, doesn't offer multimedia backups or plugins, whereas TrueNAS is enterprise-grade features which offers snapshots, cloud sync, ZFS, and plugins. TrueNAS Scale adds Docker and Kubernetes support, great for time machine backups, VM hosting, Plex, Nextcloud, etc. Huge ecosystem for power users. So in the verdict, if you want a basic but private file cloud, you should choose HexOS, but if you want a complete storage OS, you should choose TrueNAS. Now, let's move to the next step, which is the most important step, cost and hardware. So in terms of cost, HexOS is free and open source, runs on Raspberry Pi, VPS, or low-end hardware, low power consumption and minimal setup, whereas TrueNAS, also open source, requires at least mid-tier hardware for best performance, and ZFS allows memory and storage. So in the verdict, if you want budget-friendly and minimal software, you should choose HexOS, and if you want hardware-intensive and robust, you should choose TrueNAS. Now, let's move to the final verdict. So, you should go with HexOS if you need a simple, secure encrypted drive, you're privacy-focused and don't want to deal with NAS complexities, you're working with low-end hardware or a VPS, and you should choose TrueNAS if you want maximum control, reliability, and features. You are managing serious data like backups, media servers, and virtual machines, and you love tinkering with infrastructure. So, which one would you choose? To let me know in the comments. And that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.